Okay, loves, we're going to do a very basic introduction to EFT or tapping. If you're unfamiliar, then this video is for you. I'm going to explain it and then show you all the points. If you already are familiar with EFT, you can skip this. So EFT is also known as emotional freedom technique. It is a powerful healing tool that combines elements of Eastern medicine and modern psychology. Like I said, EFT is sometimes also called tapping. Basically involves just gently tapping on specific meridian points on the body where emotion and energy is stored while you're focusing on, an emotional issue that you want to deal with or even physical discomfort. I have used EFT for everything. When I'm upset after like an argument or something like with a friend or something that like really upset me or a negative comment. I've used it for anxiety, depression, and I've used it for physical pain, like really severe menstrual cramps, migraines. I've used it to clear bloating in my body. I've used it to heal from like chronic disease. I'm obsessed with EFT. I've been using it since oh my gosh, like 6 years ago at this time. Now I'm certified and I brought it into my coaching practice. This technique helps to release negative emotions, reduce stress, and restore balance because your body is not just flesh and bones. Your body also has an energy system. So that's what tapping is dealing with, the body's energy system, and it's clearing it. So by tapping on these meridian points, EFT clears blockages in the energy body, in the flow of your energy system, okay, which allows for emotional healing, a sense of calm, general well-being, kind of raising your vibration. And it can be used to, even like with trauma and chronic pain, like I said. EFT is really simple. It can be practiced anywhere, which is why I love it. It's just a really versatile tool for self-healing and personal growth. I also use it to manifest like money and new followers and things like that. A lot of people find regular relief from emotional duress, and they have these like really profound transformations in their lives through the regular practice of EFT. EFT is something I practice every single day, whether it's in the morning or the evening. It's every single day for me. It just depends on what's present for me. Now, let's talk about the points. This is called the karate chop point or the starting point. We always start here. I like to use 3 fingers and just tap gently on the side. And we start to say what's called our setup statement. And while we tap here, okay? This is just kind of activating the energy system in the body. Then we move through the regular tapping points, which is the start of the eyebrow, the side of the eye, under eye, under the nose, upper lip, chin, just beneath your collarbone on either side or both sides. You can use both hands, one hand, switch hands. So switch sides, it doesn't matter. And then this one is, I'm going to actually pull my sweatshirt up a bit so you can see. This point is kind of right where the bra strap would lay. Tapping. I like to just use all 4 fingers so that I know I'm getting it. And then the crown of the head. And we just move through those points while we are saying things that really validate our feelings. We're expressing, we're processing emotion. EFT is really about processing emotion instead of suppressing. So often we are suppressing how we really feel. We're not saying it. We don't want to be negative. We don't want to open that door and see what's in there. But what that does is just like the emotions stay and then they're held in the body and it creates disease and unhappiness, anxiety, depression, etc. So EFT is really about processing your emotions and like going ahead and saying how you feel and then saying how you want to feel and like releasing the old and welcoming a new way of being and thinking. So it's incredible. It's very powerful. When I do EFT, all you have to do is watch me, tap with me, and then repeat what I'm saying, and you're golden.